Welcome to everyone wherever you are in the world to match number 7 of the ICC Men's T20 Cricket World Cup 2024 here at the Grand Prairie Cricket Stadium in Dallas. World Cup cricket has come to the US in a magnificent way as Netherlands take on Nepal. Nepal back in a World Cup action for the first time in 10 years. Very young team against a Netherlands team that have been making their own waves internationally for quite some time now. Weather and the Nepalese support here with the match referee.
Ladies and gentlemen,
they'll be depending heavily leading his team. Outnumbering by far. Netherlands won the toss on the leaden sky.
And they have got it back well. Would be a victim, friends. Continental in noise and content.
And to me, the key is this first 6 overs and how.
In the qualifiers. And Kushal Bertel, television, he is a character. Bespectacled fast bowler. Coaches realise, why isn't he fielding well? Why isn't he batting?
Conditions out there, the pitch itself has got a very healthy.
Little bit of movement.
So that you bowl with a prudent, see that good length spot every night.
As well, just to get one into the leg side.
You're not a subcontinental links.
On
movement back of the ground in the Hague, and you'd think in
that sort of length, he still wants to be tighter. He does, and a nice shot down the ground. First boundary of the contest, 5 without loss.
Your feet are working correctly up front. A slip.
Nice shot. So one drive to end the previous over, another one to start this one. Bertel this time.
you'd have to say it was a bit of a gift. It was wide, it was full.
New Zealand back in the game, and
he wouldn't mind at both ends.
A bit of flight. And
left of screen if it's out there. Straight up. Press wicket. Pringle struck. It's the end of Asif Sheikh. The deadly silence.
It's a tremendous strike, and credit to the left armour for flighting the ball and not budging from that off-stump angle. That good length area is pretty tall.
Anil Shah. Room to breach that outside.
That height in his action has enabled him to get nice bounce. This is earlier on a little bit with these.
Top of the Netherlands were in a tri-series in Nepal.
Upon themselves this
Lovely control shot to get off the mark by Anil Shah. 15 for 1 with the new ball in T20. He starts on target and the finger goes up. Logan Van Beek strikes straight away.
Yeah, I mean, you can't go across the line of the ball. These are good, helpful conditions for pace bowling. What is he doing? Is he going to stop?
He's been going well this year, leading scorer in the... And he's off the...
Big, just getting a little bit greedy with his line.
Your strategy as a batsman has got to be...
So either using your feet, whatever you feel comfortable with, batting out of your...
He's good. He's coming through the system for Netherlands. Close, must be close. It took a while, but Langton was there. He has finally put the finger up. It's reviewed straight away. Did he get some bat on it?
This looked really out. I think it's a good decision. Whether they want an inside edge.
On-field decision is out. I've checked the field placement. It's a fair delivery. Let's start with front runners.
Gets past Scott Edwards and it will run away for 4. Leg bye signal. Nepal will take it anyhow it comes. Again.
Yeah, what?
Good stop.
Another line.
High and over slip. So had a dip at it. Very fortuitous.
Arm ends to the ball. Getting a little bit frustrated. The striker's side.
Past the end.
Well, for Meekeren now went for 5. He did also pick up the first wicket. Timing is beautiful. It is an excellent outfield. You get value for your shots despite the rain.
What a start we've had to this game. One, atmosphere, unbelievable atmosphere. Here we are in Dallas, and this is basically a set.
Drop ball.
Good bounce there.
The young captain of the team is here as well. Distinctly remembers watching. Oh, and here.
Of course, you the odd sleepless night.
Wasn't they top?
Certainly a bit of swing.
Last couple of World Cups.
Well, everyone's talking about.
That's really well manufactured. Gave himself more than enough room to go over the offside.
I like this. They'll be basically playing the seamers from the crease. And because the seamers have been bowling a relatively good length, they haven't had to adjust. And by using his feet on this occasion, it's given bowlers something to think about. But he's
World Cup, and he's maybe had his struggles at the open.
about spin, it's about seam, and if you can bowl.
Yeah, they're just closing overs for them, so it's just
Later on, if Nepal can get to something around the one. Fusion with the calling.
Just talking to one of the coaches. Brilliant, brilliant from De Leeuw, brilliant from Van Beek, and Netherlands continue to roll on with that lateral movement.
Perfect lengths, ball still doing plenty. Extra bounce, extra kick. A comfortable catch. That's the beauty. Ball once again.
Survivor from the Nepalese team. A maiden wicket.
Also, he's not really pushing. There's not all those. His was a little bit more.
Switch of ends, and that's going to run away for 4. The young captain, Paudel, just 21 years of age, in his first World Cup, trying to battle, trying to fight.
It's a better approach actually. Should have done that a lot earlier, making use of the feet and slicing it past the deep field for 4. You've got to have a better plan, and I think Netherlands would be quite happy to spin.
The lights go on, and Meekeren strikes. He is a good bowler, solid, professional performer.
Well, it's certainly got to up the game against pace, against medium pace bowling, because there's a huge gap between bat and pad, and so the bail's lit up.
Already with the bat, he's batted in ODI cricket at number. I remember just the 4 for 11 against Ireland and Darren Sharp.
Well, that's such a sweet shot that really was magnificently played in the air. Great use of the field. He's well settled.
Unit. Yes, it is difficult. Yes, it is.
the crowd cheering and egging the ball on as it eventually goes over the boundary. They haven't had a lot to cheer about, but there's something.
A rare occasion.
Nepal.
Has he got into the right position to play the shot? No, Max Down takes another good catch. They've been very good in the field, the Netherlands, bagging all opportunities coming their way.
It was a good hit earlier from the left-hander, but this was nothing short.
In the end of Tim Pringle's lifting that away. More runs over the boundary.
Using the pace nicely and scooping it rather offside rather than staying middle left.
Big hit. Big hit. Went very high, but Once more, top edge, and a brilliant catch. Oh, their fielding has been absolutely outstanding. Vivian Kingmo, who finished
For 8.
Sagadaka walks to the crease. Still won't have a run though. We'll end that over. It's 106. 11 from Bake. Starts the final over with the wickets. He's had a lot of experience bowling in the club. Very tough for making run. Van Dijk says, I want this. He takes the responsibility and wraps it up easily. A lovely bowling performance by
Netherlands bowled
so well if they get Van Dijk and the Netherlands. They put in
as it is if you lose 4 wickets for 50. Last ball of the 20th.
Well, that's what outside pressure is to get wickets. Well, they've got experience at the top of the... Meanwhile, at the other end, one of the most... 56.5.
Looking for a Herculean start.
Ambitious, aggressive, and that's exactly what... Well, he goes after it, but has he made an early mistake? This has gone very high, but safe hands, and the crowd has gone absolutely nuts here at this early success. Goodness me. Huge breakthrough early. But they won. Gee, that catch was taken easily, wasn't it? Glorious, absolutely glorious reply. That is a statement from Meekeren Singh.
Yes, he's an attraction player through the offside. Doesn't always cover the line of the ball. Stays inside the line of the ball and then backs it.
A no slip, he's gone. Bish, your slip is gone.
That would have gone straight down the throat of that slip fielder. Rohit Paudel's a young man. They're still looking to learn and make their way in the game.
Catch that might have been, but it's 12 for 1 up. The inner circle, and there's not one there protecting that area. That's a lovely shot from O'Dowd.
More orthodox in style. And this was a beautiful shot.
Situation. Just got that well enough, Meekeren Singh. In fact, got a little better than I thought initially. And this is a good over because this is breaking the shackles and putting it back in the ball.
Yeah.
That's classy. Very, very classy. As good a shot as you'll see from the left-hander square of the wicket.
Goes on to show you the trueness of the track, and if you get it an inch wrong, then you'll be put away life.
once leg side does O'Dowd, and he picks it up beautifully.
I think first intentions were looking to lift this over mid-on, but the ball just caught the inside edge and went for the ball.
Big appeal, and the umpire answers in the affirmative to Paudel. A little look at his partner, but in the end, Meekeren will have to go.
Too close to play that shot. It was pitched up delivery a little bit.
Has he got a tickle to it? They're going for it. Well, I think the non-strikers is making his way out, I think. We've got to
TV
have a
umpire
better
to
look at this.
director, we have an umpire referred for a run out at the bowler's end. Can I have you